We got a chance to visit different companies like IBM, Ashoka, Volkswagen, and Bloomberg. There we got the lifetime exposure, and also we got to know about how AI analytics work in the real world.
One of the highlights was working with the business challenge with HomeFix, where I got opportunity to use my analytical skills, which I have gained so far, and that really helped me with the real world data and the business insights.
I really enjoyed the city trips, and getting to experience the Washington culture was really memorable for all of us.